Welcome to the future of web consumption. In an age where we are constantly bombarded with visual information, it's time to give your eyes a well-deserved rest and let your ears take over. Introducing Narrator, a powerful Chrome extension designed to help you stop reading and start listening. By converting any web page into audio, Narrator allows you to reclaim your time and work up to 3 times faster. It's free, it's available now, and it's about to change the way you experience the internet. We all know the problem: reading online is exhausting. Knowledge workers today spend an average of 4.5 hours every single day staring at screens, poring over articles, emails, and reports. This constant visual demand leads to 62% of professionals reporting significant eye strain, and ultimately, 40% of productivity is lost due to the sheer mental fatigue of reading. This is the friction that slows us down, but Narrator provides the fix by turning that digital burden into an effortless auditory experience. Let's see how it works in action. Narrator is designed to live right inside your browser for maximum convenience. The process is incredibly simple. Just select any text on a web page, click the Narrator icon in your Chrome toolbar, and your computer begins reading it aloud instantly. There is absolutely no setup required as it uses your browser's built-in voices right out of the box. For those who want an even more premium experience, you can easily integrate your own API keys to access top-tier AI voices. Narrator is built on the philosophy of providing everything you need without any of the clutter. It features one-click reading for entire pages and utilizes native Mac or PC voices for zero configuration startup. Beyond the basics, it offers professional API support for natural-sounding AI, accessibility-first features for those with dyslexia or low vision, and the freedom to multitask while you code, cook, or commute. Best of all, it is entirely free and open to use, no subscriptions, no paywalls, just pure productivity. In conclusion, it's time to become 3 times more productive by reclaiming your reading time. Narrator transforms passive screen time into active, flexible listening, allowing you to protect your eyes and absorb information more effectively than ever before. With zero eye strain and a 100% free model that works on any website, there's no reason to wait. Add Narrator to Chrome today and start listening to the web on your own terms.